Tired of fumbling with meeting links? Let's ditch the frustration and jump straight into join your Microsoft Teams meeting using just the meeting ID and password. First, make sure you have the Microsoft Teams application installed on your laptop. If not, download it from the Microsoft website. Once installed, launch the Microsoft Teams application. Now, look for the Join or Create Team button in the top right corner of the Teams window and click on it. A new window will pop up. Ignore the Create a Team option instead. Locate the section that says Join a Team with a code. But this time we will click on Join with a meeting ID. You will see a prompt to enter your meeting ID. Carefully type in the meeting ID provided to you by the meeting organizer. Double check it to ensure accuracy and then click Join Meeting. A new screen will appear prompting you for the meeting password. This password should also have been provided by the meeting organizer. Carefully type in the password, ensuring that you use the correct capitalization. Once you've entered the password, you'll be taken to a pre-join screen. Here, you can adjust your audio and video settings. Make sure your microphone and camera are working correctly. When you're ready, simply click the Join Now button. And that's it. You've successfully joined a Microsoft Teams meeting using the meeting ID and password. Now you're ready to participate and collaborate effectively.